Known as the devil's weed, datura is a highly toxic and invasive plant. The sap it produces can contaminate crops. Difficult to identify in large popcorn maize fields, it can quickly become a nightmare for growers who must remove it manually. Therefore, control of the health risks stemming from weed become essential. The leading European popcorn maize producer, located in the southwest of France, knows it well. With 7,000 hectares of cultivated land and 260 farming partners, Nataïs bases its growth on the development of a sustainable and regenerative agriculture. To deal with the problem, the company located in the Gers department relies on Telespazio, the global leader in space technology, satellite services and solutions. Its French subsidiary, based in Toulouse, has been providing high-value solutions for the space industry for over 30 years, including the use of drone technology. This is how land actually meets space, in a joint effort to develop environmentally friendly precision agriculture. Taking benefit from artificial intelligence technology, Telespazio developed GeoAdventice, a solution allowing farmers and the food industry to optimize their resources and guarantee popcorn maize quality. The first step is to carry out drone flyovers of the fields. Once deployed, the drones scan all of Nataïs' crops. The images they capture are then carefully analyzed by artificial intelligence algorithm and the expert human eyes of the Telespazio team to ensure optimal detection and error-free results. Using the maps supplied, farmers can see and locate the datura plants on their plots using a mobile application. They can then go to the location shown and pull out the plants, consistently increasing their speed and efficiency. Over 40,000 tons of popcorn maize were harvested in 2019. Quality was guaranteed by GeoAdventice, which has become an essential tool for Nataïs and its farming partners. This valuable partnership between sky and land enables both companies to operate in line with their values. It anchors Nataïs' naturellement popcorn approach, a commitment to provide high-quality products, and encourages sustainable and pragmatic agriculture. It enables Telespazio to contribute to creating a safer environment by leveraging its expertise and new technologies. This is just the first step towards an agroecological future, a first glimpse of an agriculture where cutting-edge technology and respect for the planet will ensure a responsible consumer environment, a world of unmatched product quality, meeting consumer expectations and responding to the needs of tomorrow's industry.